Rhona Flin. I'm Professor of Industrial Psychology at Aberdeen Business School, which is at Robert Gordon University. So I work on industrial safety. I'm a cognitive psychologist by background, but over the years have become increasingly involved first of all with the oil industry. Just before the Piper Alpha accident, we began to look at some of the psychological aspects of offshore work, and I then, after Piper, got much more involved in looking at safety in industry and how psychology could contribute to our understanding of that and help to design better interventions. We know from studies in the world of aviation that when things go wrong, it's not just failures in technical skills or technical effects of the equipment that cause the problem. From analysis of aviation accidents where they've had the benefit of cockpit voice recordings and we can hear what the pilots are talking about in the minutes before things go wrong, the aviation industry learned about 40 years ago that they needed to look also at what they call non-technical skills. So they needed to look at how pilots make sense of what's happening, they understand where they are in the flight, they anticipate what's going to happen next, they make decisions, they have to understand how they work together, how the captain behaves as a leader and how the co-pilot responds to that. So all those non-technical factors have been shown in a whole sequence of accident analysis to be very important for either protecting the safety of the flight, or if these skills are not being enacted very competently, can contribute to increasing the risk for the flight. More recently, due to concern about patient safety in Scotland and UK in general and the rest of the world, where about 15-20 years ago it was realised that about 40-50% of accidents happening to patients or adverse events have got human factors, contributing factors as well. And so healthcare was advised by many government organisations to look at how they can learn from other industries. And I became involved with anaesthetists and surgeons in Scotland to look at non-technical skills for these medical professionals while they are operating on a patient. We've developed a number of behaviour rating tools that can be used by surgeons or by anaesthetists or by scrub nurses and ODPs, all people who work in theatre around a patient, so that they have a set of non-technical skills that they can be taught, and also that they can watch another person's performance in that role and give them feedback. So these are some of the things we've been trying to understand on-task behaviour and using our psychological knowledge to try and help provide tools and content for training that practitioners will find meaningful and can bring into their normal professional development practices.